A sneaker unboxing right here. Pick up from Nike.com. Let's get into it. One-hander. Got an alert on a sneaker app. Basically, sorry, my first unboxing, so please excuse me for not being an expert. I already know what it is looking at this. Receipt. So yeah. You already know what this is. Ten and a half. Yeah. Ooh, nice tissue paper. Double. Ooh. Pretty clean. Got Nike down there at the bottom. Yeah. See what this other one look like. Other shoe looking like, man. What would really been dope if they had did this OG is instead of having a Jumpman logo, do it with the Nike Air. You know what I'm saying? That would have been doper. But straight. I'm keep these on ice. You know what I'm saying? Everybody beat theirs up. Probably some B grades or something. I don't know. Straight. No on foot on this. I'm gonna start doing on foots. Get y'all look at the other shoes, but yeah, man, I'm glad they had these. Then pay the reseller price. I'll do a full review on these. People say that the leather is softer than Dunk from Above. I had a pair of those. I got rid of them. Basically, they were too small. I think the Dunk from Above leather quality is way better than these, in my opinion. Colorway is classic on these though, but the Dunk from Above leather is definitely way more supple than the cements. I mean, that's me having both pairs. That's me, having them in hand, and looking at them. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? Check out my other vids. I don't think I'm gonna be having no career with this. You know what I'm saying? But I do love shoes. I just wanted to share this pickup. I was real happy about it. You know what I'm saying? Sneaker app basically alerted me on the restock. It was real slow too. And I just kind of stood there and waited in the pending status, and then I got the email. It took them a while to send me an email too. So many people trying to grab them. But yeah, man. All right, it's your boy. I'm gone.